Just we will wait for a minute so that remaining students can join the session. Just for a minute. Okay. Uh, it's good count now. Hello, am I audible? Hello. Hello, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I hope everyone have understood the working of, yes, the program which is displayed here on your screen. Okay, now, but if you check, okay, I will now move to program again. Whether screen is visible to all? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you check here, the problem statement, I will show you the problem statement. Okay, what is the step one? The program will generate a random number. Okay. As per your given range, like 1 to 100 or 1 to 10 or anything. Attaparant apan what we have seen, yes, Is everyone looking here at the screen? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
As of now, what we have seen, instead of taking random number, we have taken the user define. आतापर्यंत आपण काय बघितले की रॅन्डम नंबर घ्यायच्या जागी काय घेतलंय की युजर कडून एकच नंबर डिफाइन करून घेतलाय आपण. लेट्स से इंटिजर x असेल, इंटिजर a असेल. ओके, नाउ फॉर दिस प्रोग्राम, if you check the program, here I have defined a is equal to 60, right? So a is, but what is expected, this a is equal to 60 should be randomly generated. It is not like a 60. हा 60 नसायला पाहिजे. हा 1 ते 10 किंवा the range which you have specified to generate a random number. Okay, the number should be find out in this way. तर तो कुठलाही असायला पाहिजे. But for a instance, we have taken this as a static value. Now the question is how to generate random number. Okay, as of now we have not seen how to generate a random number, right? Now today we are going to see how we are going to generate a random number. Okay, to generate a random number we have two functions in C++. So one is srand and other is rand, rand function. Okay, this is not a circle, it's a open and close round brackets. Okay, I will give space for like having a proper display. Okay, so these two functions are used in C++, which can perform to generate random numbers. Okay, random number generate करण्यासाठी C++ मध्ये कुठले functions आहेत? Yes, rand, and other is simple rand function which will generate a random number in the program. And what is the syntax for it? त्याचा syntax काय की random number कसा use करायचा? So the syntax is very simple. You can give a data type, कुठल्या टाईपचं तुम्हाला random variable किंवा random number generate करायचा आहे, then the name of variable and simply use the rand function. Okay, give space, or if you have value you can put it here. This syntax is very simple. Data type, name of your variable, and use this rand function. Okay, I will check whether it is going to be execute. Okay, whether this screen is visible to all, programming screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Program, sorry, using namespace and here std. Okay. Let's take integer number is equal to syntax completed, and here I'm going to display the value from this number. Okay, compiler काय करेल? Just a minute, one student is added. Okay, what compiler will do, it will generate randomly any number. Okay, and this number is going to be saved here in the number variable. So I will display it. Okay, मी इथे काय करते, तो जो नंबर कॉम्प्युटरने जनरेट केला तो काय करते, मी इथे डिस्प्ले करते. जस्ट चेक, I will click on the run. So it has generated this number. Okay, is it visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but असं जर कुठलाही नंबर जर कॉम्प्युटर जनरेट करायला लागला, how we are going to identify or how this puzzle can be solved? अशा केस मध्ये पझल सॉल्व होईल का? पझल सॉल्व नाही होणार, बरोबर. कारण की ओके, वी हॅव सम लिमिटेशन्स. आपण गेस कितपर्यंत करेल? जर तुम्हाला एखादा नंबर गेस करायला सांगितलं तर तो कुठपर्यंत करणार तुम्ही? यू आर गोइंग टू गेस लाईक ॲट मॅक्स 1000. बट इफ यू चेक, दिस इज लाईक मोर दॅन द रेंज, बरोबर. रेंज पेक्षा हा काय आहे? जास्त आहे. सो what we are trying to do, we will keep this in a particular range. एका रेंज मध्ये काय करूयात आपण तो नंबर आणूयात. Okay, now for this we have one syntax here in the in defining this number. म्हणजे हे रेंज करण्यासाठी आपल्याकडे काय there is a modulo operator. Okay, I will make it as a bold and I will display it into the other color. So to restrict the random number in the particular range, what we have a modulus operator. Now how we are going to use this modulus operator? Just check if I wish to print a number between 0 to 1. Okay, जर मला 0 ते 0 to 9 या रेंज मधले जर मला रॅन्डम नंबर्स पाहिजे नसेल, then how I can use it? Data type, then the name of variable, then function and modulo the last value. मला कशामध्ये पाहिजे 0 to 9. So I will give the range 10. 10 मध्ये मी काय करेल रेंज देईल. If I wish to display 0 to 100, जर 0 to 100 जर मला नंबर पाहिजे नसतील तर काय करायला लागेल? ओके, फर्स्ट आय विल रन दिस. इथे काय करूयात, आय वॉन्ट टू डिस्प्ले फर्स्ट रॅन्डम नंबर फ्रॉम फर्स्ट 10. 1 ते 10 मधले मला काय करायचं ते रॅन्डम नंबर. सो व्हॉट आय हॅव मेड चेंजेस हिअर. इथे मी चेंज काय केलंय, येस चेंज काय केलंय बघा. चेंज मी फक्त काय केलंय की त्याची मी शेवटची व्हॅल्यू दिली इथे 10. आता एक लक्षात घ्या की हा सुरू होतोय 0 पासून. इंटिजर नंबर इज स्टार्ट्स विथ 0. आता नाव हाऊ यू फाइंड की हा 10 ला एंड होते. सी दिस इज व्हॉट द लास्ट व्हॅल्यू. ही तुमची काय असेल, ही व्हॅल्यू असेल की जी तुमचे रेंज मध्ये येत नाही. युअर व्हॅल्यूज बिलॉंग्स टू 0 to 9. ही जी व्हॅल्यू असेल तुमची ह्याच्या आधीचा जो नंबर असेल, द नंबर लेस दॅन दिस will come in the range part. Okay, 0 to 9, it will find 0 to 9. So the number will hold any value in between 0 to 9. If I click on run button, random number is equal to, okay, so it will print 3. Okay, any number. Okay, now if I wish to print a number between 0 to 100, काय करायला लागेल मला इथे कुठली व्हॅल्यू द्यायला लागेल सांगा. हॅलो हॅलो
100.
hello. My statement is, okay, I will write it here. I want to display random value in the range of 0 to 100. Okay, so what would be the value here after modulo? Yes, remaining. I have received response from 2 students. What about others? Yes, what about others? Only 2 students have responded in chat box. Yes, one more student. What about others? Yes, tell me fast. Only 3 students have replied. What about others? Okay, if I take 100, इथे जर 100 केले तर काय होईल त्याचं meaning 0 to 99. मी तुम्हाला काय सांगितलं 0 to 100 पाहिजे म्हणजे इथे मला काय करायला लागेल 101. ओके रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. जी तुम्हाला रेंज पाहिजे 0 to 100 किंवा 0 to इफ आय मेन्शन हिअर 99. जर मी इथे 99 मेन्शन केलं तर काय व्हायला पाहिजे इथे काय यायला पाहिजे लिमिट लास्ट लिमिट माझा 100 यायला पाहिजे बिकॉज 100 - 1 इट गिव्स मी 99. इफ आय विश टू प्रिंट 0 to 100 इथे काय करायला लागेल मला 100 सॉरी 101. ओके जस्ट चेक इट गिव्स मी एनी रॅन्डम व्हॅल्यू. आता इथे आपल्याला काय करता येत नाही चेक करता येत नाही की लास्ट व्हॅल्यू ही कुठली आली बरोबर बिकॉज इट जनरेट ओनली वन व्हॅल्यू फॉर द रॅन्डम नंबर. Okay, just look at the screen. I will give you the time for this implementation. हे करायला तुम्हाला वेळ देईल मी. Just have a look at the screen. Okay, but now I wish to change. I wish to change the range. Now instead of 0 to 100, I want to start it from 100 to 200. इथे मला काय करायचंय किंवा अच्छा 100 to 200 मध्ये करायचंय मला डिस्प्ले करायचंय. सो व्हॉट और हाऊ आय कॅन डन दिस हे कसं करायला लागेल सांगा. येस एनी गेस. Okay, one of you have mentioned 201. Okay, if I write here 201, but it will start from the 0. हे कशापासून सुरू होते 0 पासून. What is my query? It need to start with 100 to 200. Okay, if I execute, see it also takes. If I have 201, that is correct. Your last point is correct. Your last point is correct. What it shows 200 घ्यायचं म्हणजे काय की त्याच्यापेक्षा एक नंबर इथं मला जास्त द्यायला लागेल. करेक्ट. सो that is correct. But what about initial value? If I run the program, it gives me 19. That is wrong. I want to display between 100 to 200. Okay, for this, what we have here. Okay, one of you have mentioned 100 modulo 201. No, we have one formula for this offset plus whatever you have offset plus. आता हा हे ऑफसेट म्हणजे काय असतं. नाउ दिस इज व्हॉट युअर स्टार्टिंग रेंज. ऑफसेट व्हॅल्यू इज युअर स्टार्टिंग रेंज. नाउ ॲज वी हॅव टेकन इथे फक्त काय होतंय इथे जर बघितलं तुम्ही आय विल मूव टू नाउ पीपीटी हिअर. ओके, आय विल टाइप द फॉर्म्युला ऑफ सेट प्लस रॅन्डम नंबर आणि मॉड लेट्स से 100 किंवा 10 असेल. आता याचं मिनिंग काय की 0 to 9 मधले फाइंड आउट करा. दिस 10 इट इज लास्ट नंबर प्लस 1 अँड इफ आय हॅव 0 इथे 0 द्या किंवा न द्या याचा फरक काय पडतो का नाही पडत. सो फॉर 0 वी आर नॉट रायटिंग एनी ऑफसेट व्हॅल्यू हिअर. डायरेक्टली वी आर युझिंग की फंक्शन मॉड्युलो ऑपरेटर अँड द लास्ट प्लस 1 व्हॅल्यू. पण जर मला इथे सुरुवात जर अदर दॅन 0 करायची असेल सो फॉर दॅट आय नीड टू हॅव द ऑफसेट. मला इथे काय करायला लागेल ऑफसेट यूज करायला लागेल. ऑफसेट म्हणजे काय तुमची स्टार्टिंग रेंज. नाउ इन दिस केस वी हॅव 100 सो आय विल रिप्लेस ऑफसेट विथ 100. आता मी ऑफसेट कशाने रिप्लेस केला. ऑफसेट आता काय आहे माझा 100. दॅट मीन्स आय नीड टू स्टार्ट माय yes starting value should be 100 and last value should be 200 because I have mentioned here 201. Okay, I'll run the program. You'll found the value greater than 100 and in between 200. समजतंय का? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, now what I will do it here, one more thing. Okay, now who will tell me? Okay, I will make a comment here. Who will tell me in our program here? If you go here, the range is specified as 1 to 100. Range is specified as 1 to 100. Now tell me how to write 1 to 100 here. Okay, forget about this because I have made a comment. आता सांगा मला इथे 1 to 100 करायचं असेल तर काय लिहायला लागेल मला? Yes, anyone? See, one of you have mentioned 0 to 101. See, starting value परत एकदा बघा काय आहे. Just check once what is the starting value. It is 1. It is not a 0. So the student who mentioned 0 to 101 is wrong. Okay. Yes. Any other student? Yes, one of you have mentioned now 1 to 101. That is correct. पण आता हे कसं लिहिणार इथे? How we are going to write it? So I will take one variable. Let's say integer num is equal to, or you can take any other variable. Okay, you can take any other variable. Okay, for the case now, I'm going to take it here. Integer num, and my starting value is 1, plus I'm going to use the function rand function, and what is my last value? It is 100, so I will add 101 and it will end. So when I run the program, it will give me any random number in which lies between 1 to 100. Okay, are you getting this?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Okay, now I wish to display. Okay, I wish to display. Okay, just now we are looking at this random function. One thing came into my mind, like I wish to display any 5 random number in between 1 to 100. 1 ते 100 मधले मला 5 random number बघायचे. So how to do this?
For loop.
Very correct. So I need to use either. So we have 2 loops, right? For loop or while loop. So I can take a help of either for loop or while loop. But I feel for loop is easier for it for understanding. Right. So how to write for loop? Yes, who will tell me? Yes, who will tell me? So simply I will put this into the for loop. Here I will use for, let's say int. I will take one variable is equal to 1. The variable should be less than or equal to 5. And here I'm going to increment the value for loop. Okay. And okay, I will include this into the loop. This print statement also I will include, so that at the first time what will be calculated value, random value, it will be saved here in the num variable and it is going to be displayed. After this, again it increment the I value with 1. Okay, it increment the value with I variable with 1, and it is also in the next time also it get executed. So second value will get print. Okay, now we will check. Copy, refresh. Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just a minute, I think. Okay, if you check, okay, wait. भरपूर वेळेस क्लिक केल्यामुळे झाले ते. Okay, if you check, we have this randomly generated number. Okay, okay, here what I will do now, random number 1 is equal to this much, 2 this much, 3 this much, 4 5 this way. Then I need to here print the value of I variable, कारण काय कुठली value increment होती I या variable ची. So I will write it here, I random number I, that means it will 1, and after this in double inverted comma I will print equal to this number. Okay, okay, when I run the program, okay, one thing is happening here. Here I will make one more tab. Yes, now you will find random number 1 is equal to 33, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, just go through the program again. Okay, so this way you can print directly. Okay, now I will copy this link of compiler and I will put here in the chat box for everyone. Okay, is link available in the chat box? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just click on the link and try to implement this rand function. Okay, I will. Okay, you can directly go with the for loop, or you can directly you can start with this basic. Okay, before this, I will use 3-4 different variables now. Integer, let's say a is equal to, and basic, the rand function here, cout. Okay, simple random number is equal to, and here I'm going to print the value of a, and I need to move for next line. Okay, then next, cout simple random number. Here I use the number variable, random number between 100 to 200. Okay, random number between 100 to 200. So it will give me this output. And after this, I will print one message. Five random number between the range we have taken 1 to 100. 1 to 100. Okay. Okay, try this so that you can have all the programs, and then we will try this in the next 5-10 minutes, and then we will add these problems in our mini project to check whether it executes or not. Okay, so I'm going to send one more time this program link in the chat box. Click on the link and try to implement these programs. Okay, I'm waiting for your screenshots related to this program. Just do it and send me the screenshots. Do it fast so that we can check whether it executes in our mini project or not. Okay. Those who have completed, send me the screenshot of it. Okay, before sending me the screenshot, mention here your roll number. Sorry, it starts with name, roll number, division, program. Okay, I'll write the name. Implementation of random number generator. Okay, now I'm going to keep this in your chat box so that you can save your time. Yes, those who have completed, add these 4 lines in the very first lines so that I can identify who has sent me the screenshot. Yes, send me fast. Okay, 3 students have sent me this. What about others? Okay, one of the student now got an error. See, look at the screen here now. You have not, I think you have not mentioned this using namespace. तिथे तुम्ही काय केलं, डिफॉल्ट जो हॅलोचा प्रोग्राम होता आधी तिथे एसटीडी आणि 4 कॉलम्स सी आउट जे होतं. So you have not added this line in the program using namespace. Make it correct. make the necessary changes in the program. Just do it fast, this program. Then we will check whether it is useful in our mini project or not. Okay. Yes, do it fast. Send me. Okay. Yes, everyone, look at the screen. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, please look at the screen. Yes, are you there, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, okay, what we need to do, we need to use this random number into our program. आपल्या program मध्ये काय करायचं? If you have gone through the problem statement here, first is what? अ कॉम्प्युटर और दिस प्रोग्राम, एकतर इन जनरल काय म्हणतात, कॉम्प्युटरने रॅन्डम नंबर जनरेट केला, बट कॉम्प्युटर इज नॉट गोइंग टू जनरेट. वी the program which is written, it is going to generate a random number, right? Now program will generate a random number in the range of 1 to 100. Now what I need to make change it here, आता मला प्रोग्राम मध्ये काय चेंज करायला लागेल सांगा. I will not use this line now. Yes, now tell me, yes, how to write a random number in between 1 to 100. Yes, anyone? मला ती पूर्ण लाईन सांगा, मला इथे काय लिहायला लागेल जर मला if I wish to write or if I wish to find the number between random number between 1 to 100. Yes, who will tell me? Very good, one of you have mentioned in the chat box. What about others? Yes, tell me fast. I wish to write a two lines here. एक दोन लाईन मला लिहायच्यात की ज्याच्यामध्ये so that I can found the random number in between 1 to 100. Yes, one of you have mentioned. Yes, 3 students have given me the answer. What about others? Do it fast. As you have sent me the screenshot, so it is very easy to write one line here in the chat box. Send me fast. Correct. I will copy the line. Okay, I will copy this line. One of the line from your response. Okay, and I will paste it here. Okay, but we have taken for choice, we have taken the variable a everywhere. बरोबर, आपण काय केले, a हे variable घेतलंय की ते user sorry तो random number असेल. So instead of this num variable, I am going to replace it with a. बरोबर का? Otherwise इथे जर मी इथे number लिहिला, number variable, what I need to do, I need to change wherever I have used this a word. जिथे कुठे मी a व्हेरिएबल यूज केलंय ते सगळे मला काय करायला लागतील, परत चेंजेस करत बसायला लागतील. सो इट इज ऑलवेज बेटर टू चेंज द नेम ऑफ व्हेरिएबल टू a. Okay, and if you do this, it will find the random number in between the range of 1 to 100, and it will store in the variable a, and here I am displaying the value of this random number. Okay, I will run the program. See here, 33 is randomly generated number at the very first line. Is it visible to you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now guess any number. Let's say I guess a 50. It's too high. Then let's say 30. Sorry, I need to run the program again. 50, 30, it's too low. Then if I go with 45, better luck next time, because I don't know about 33. इथे मला दिसतंय because I have displayed the number. हा जर नंबर मी डिस्प्ले केला नाही. Okay, now check. Yes, who will tell me the correct number? Any guess? Anyone? Hello.
30. 30.
30. Okay, I will write 30. Okay, I will run program once again. 30. Yes, no, it is too low. Any other guess?
30. 33.
33. Okay, I will write 33. Congratulations. So correct number was 33. Good, you done it in 2 attempts. Very good. So like this way. Okay, सुरुवातीला काय करा की प्रोग्राम तुमचा बरोबर आहे का नाही ते चेक करण्यासाठी यू डिस्प्ले दिस नंबर, हा नंबर तुम्ही डिस्प्ले करा. इथे रॅन्डम नंबर जो येईल तो तुम्ही डिस्प्ले करा, आणि ते तुम्ही तुमचं जे काय आहे ह्याचं नंबर ऑफ अटेम्प्ट ते चेक करा, ते प्रॉपरली वर्क होत आहेत का. इफ इट इज वर्किंग करेक्टली, देन डोंट डिस्प्ले युअर रॅन्डमली जनरेटेड नंबर. तो रॅन्डमली जनरेटेड नंबरची जी काय लाईन आहे सी आउटची ती काढून टाका, simply keep a randomly generated number, calculated number, and use this variable a. जे तुम्ही a variable मध्ये store केलेला आहे. Use this variable a to check with the user choice. Okay. Can you do it? करू शकता program? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Simply what you need to add, you need to add one line in the program. Okay. And try to execute it. So here, okay, I'm going to send you. See, this should be the heading of your program. मी तुम्हाला heading दिलंय. Is it visible in your chat box? तुम्ही एकमेकांना ते जे काही लाईन्स आहेत ते मेसेज करून ठेवा. I'm going to share you a Google Form link. Today is Thursday. Okay, today is Thursday. So take your time by today. I'm going to share the link by tomorrow. Okay, a Google Form link to upload your screenshots. की ज्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला या प्रोजेक्टचे स्क्रीनशॉट अपलोड करायचे आहे. ओके. Is it okay for all? Hello. Hello. What about others? Okay, only 2 students have replied. Yes. No, only output is not required. You need to send the program as well. Okay, those who are dealing with this computer or laptop, ज्यांच्याकडे कॉम्प्युटर किंवा लॅपटॉप आहेत, सो इफ इट इज नॉट कवर्ड इन वन स्क्रीन, हे जर एका स्क्रीन मध्ये कव्हर होत नसेल तर काय करायचं, कंट्रोल आणि मायनस. ओके, चेक विथ युअर कीबोर्ड, त्याच्यावरती 2 बटन्स कंट्रोल आणि मायनस. इफ यू प्रेस, so you will find it goes like this way. ते काय होतंय की झूम इन होते. Okay, so ultimately I will get the code and this, and you can take a screenshot. Maybe you will find one button on your keyboard, print, PRTSCRN, print screen. If you click on the print screen and if you go to the paint, okay, I will show you. Okay, paint is open here, and just simply paste it. Control V, it is shortcut for paste option. So here you will find the code. Here I will get the details of the student, roll number, name, and here your output. Okay, are you getting? Hello? And those who are using the mobiles, okay, तुमच्या स्क्रीनवरती आता तुम्हाला काय होईल की युनिट देर इज अ लिटिल स्पेस, सो यू कॅन टेक अ मल्टिपल स्क्रीनशॉट्स ऑफ द प्रोग्राम. तिथे तुम्ही प्रोग्रामचे मल्टिपल स्क्रीनशॉट्स ऍड करा. सो आय विल प्रोव्हाइड यू, आणि त्या सगळ्या स्क्रीनशॉटची ट्राय टू क्रिएट वन PDF. त्या सगळ्या स्क्रीनशॉट एकाखाली एक अरेंज करून तुम्ही PDF करायचा प्रयत्न करा. Or I will provide you again add file button. Okay, if you add one file, that means one screenshot, you can click on the add file, so it will allow you to add one more file. त्याच्यानंतर if it takes like 1 2 3 at max 4 plus this output 5 screenshot if you have, so you can upload those all the 5 screenshots. Okay, that setting I will do in my Google form while sharing the link. Okay, So I hope this program is understood to you. This project, mini project is understood to you, and everyone can implement it. Okay. So we'll stop here for today. We'll meet again by tomorrow. Have a nice day. Thank you. I'm going to stop the sharing for all.